As you can now see, I am at Magic Kingdom. The Christmas tree is up. It just lit. All the lights turned on Main Street, USA. And I cannot wait to see the castle get all lit up tonight. Also going to be staying for fireworks. And I don't know what else is going to happen while I'm here. Maybe the Jingle Cruise? We will see.
Everywhere for you guys. I have though.
Yeah. So we are now in front of the partner statue because the castle is about to be lit in, if I do my math correctly, 11 minutes.
It's gonna be lit.
It's gonna be lit. We saw the castle lighting and it was beautiful. Oh. Just did the people mover and now we have no idea what we're gonna go do.
Right now we're going to do the teacups.
Are we gonna go do the teacups? I'm not sure what we're gonna go do. We are gonna go wander through Fantasyland and see if we can come up with anything. We'll see. But we are going to make it to the fireworks later on at 9 p.m. Oh, and we do have a fast pass for Jingle Cruise for sure. We are now out of Fantasyland. We are in Adventureland because we have a fast pass for Pirates. And we totally forgot about before Jingle Cruise and before fireworks. So we're heading to Pirates of the Caribbean. Jingle Cruise! I'm excited, first time this year on the Jingle Cruise. Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Now, hi everyone! Hi. Merry Christmas! Wait, we can do a little bit better than that. Merry Christmas! Okay, that'll do. Alright, well, we're clear to go. Now we've goodbye to all those nice people over there. Bye, Courtney. Yeah, Diana knows what you did. It was worth it. I did it. Oh man! Now, if you look to the left and right, you will see some bugs. I don't remember what they're called, but listen. You'll hear they're called. Listen very carefully. Ah! Ah! humbugs, that is. Yeah. I don't know how I forgot. Yeah. Now you might be feeling a little itchy right now. I think it's the police having us. Yeah. You know, they probably dashed off to get some last minute holiday shopping in. Yeah, but I can tell what the villagers got. Canoe. Oh, God. Something I'd like to call Jingle Bell Rock. It is one of our bolder attractions. Wait! If I'm not mistaken, this is Santa's workshop. Oh, no. Okay, I'm mistaken. All right. You better not shout. I better not cry. It's a wonderful investment, no matter which way you slice it or dice it. You're always going to come out ahead in the end. He's a great guy.
So if you've never been on a Jingle Cruise before, basically what it is a Christmas version of the regular Jungle Cruise. The skippers wear Santa hats, there's Christmas decorations throughout. They try to come up with some funny Christmas jokes, and
they do
some of them were pretty good.
They were hilarious.
And my favorite thing at the very end is Trader Samta. They changed Trader Sam into Santa Claus, and they still have their little cannibal jokes in there, which they're funny. I think now we are gonna head out to the hub and try and find a spot for the fireworks. I have not seen Happily Ever After in a very long time, so I am very excited. What are you doing, Veronica?
Trying to unlock your phone with your face. So I found this one of you on Facebook, and I was like out here trying to, it reads it for a second, and then it's like, no. It didn't work.
So I give Veronica my stuff so I can run to the bathroom real quick.
Don't give me that! What the heck? She just swiped that like it was hers out of my hands.
We are now in a major herd to watch Happily Ever After. We got about 15 minutes until it starts. We just took a backstage exit at Magic Kingdom. So back behind like Casey's Corner and the Emporium, and now we're back out on Main Street to exit. So we missed all that crowd on actual Main Street. They do that occasionally whenever there's like a huge crowd for a firework, but I've never been on that side on the backstage, so that was very cool. Kind of saw the Main Street vehicles and stuff back there, but don't get mad, I couldn't show you. I will ruin the magic if I did. We are now calling it a night here at Magic Kingdom. I did. We had a great evening watching the castle get lit up, seeing the Christmas decorations at night, and watching the fireworks just to end it all. Veronica's recording me recording. But I'm gonna end this right now.